The vice president is in a bind. To effectively do her job as drug czar, she needs all available information, the baseline data, she calls it. According to her spokesperson, her request for more crucial information, like the list of high-value targets in the drug war, is being stonewalled by administration's officials. This despite the fact that the president himself had previously gone public about drug matrices.
Actually, hindi namin maintindihan what the big deal is with respect to high-value targets. The president himself has on several occasions named mga taong sinasabi niyang involved dito sa drug trade, including at one point mga public officials, member ng PNP, member ng mga LGUs.
Duterte had warned that the disclosure of classified information by Robredo to foreign entities and individuals will cost her drug czar post. Former PNP chief and now Senator Panfilo Lacson said it is a fair warning coming from the president. Senator Lacson said not even the second highest official in the country can share with anybody, much less a foreign country, classified intel that could compromise national security. But the senator is confident that Robredo is aware of the basic rules in handling classified materials. When asked at the sidelines of the Senate budget hearing, VP Lenny was quick to ensure confidentiality.
Yung assurance naman lahat na sensitive information.
Meanwhile, PDEA Director General Aaron Aquino said he is willing to present to the Vice President the high-value targets list she has requested, but with one condition, that this will be divulged to her in a closed-door meeting with people that have security clearance. For News 5, Jenny Dongon, We Are One News.
Concerns over drug war data ending up in the wrong hands were raised last week when the Vice President asked for access to a list of the administration's high-value targets. Presidential spokesman Salvador Panero said access to such classified intel is granted strictly on a need-to-know basis, adding that even cabinet members are not privy to such data. In a radio interview on Sunday, Panelo said Robredo's appointment as co-chair of ICAD does not automatically grant her access to all classified reports. On Saturday, PDEA Chief Aaron Aquino said he cannot provide the list to his co-chair because it might compromise their operations. He stressed it was not out of disrespect for the Vice President. PNP OIC Archie Gamboa seconded Aquino's sentiment, saying Robredo should stick to the drug war's non-police matters and that she should focus instead on advocacy and rehabilitation.
Why would the VP not take the advocacy and the rehabilitation? No? Nandun pasok yung sinasabi niya that the illegal drugs is actually a health problem. So probably that can fall on advocacy and rehabilitation. But law enforcement and prosecution or on the justice could be best left to those who know it.